each unit you should give equal attention. Exam oriented nature mein answer writing practice is very important. You may find it difficult to write, how to write answers, how to make your short notes. Your notes are lacking those examples. Invest time in making some short notes. I'll give you a simple approach to maximize your optional marks. Political science optional feels overwhelming. Very vast syllabus, too many thinkers, and sometimes you feel, is it that scoring or not? Now, hear me out. I'll give you a simple approach to maximize your optional marks. First thing, every part of the syllabus you should know, and each unit you should give equal attention. That means 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, आपको सब करना है, अच्छे से करना है. कोई चीज, don't leave anything. Last year people left NAFTA पे they asked you question, right? Many times what happens, some people over focus on 1A, 1B gets weak, okay? Or they focus too much on paper 2B, 2A में they are not very confident. So if the paper is tougher, you may find it difficult to write from those sections. First thing. Second thing is, many times you know an example but you don't know the theory, or you know the theory, you don't know the example. Why that happens? Many times in foundation you have not learned how to integrate both. Your notes are lacking those examples, या आप current affairs का touch missing है paper 2 में आपके. If that is the case, you will face these challenges. Now, how to do that is one, again you have to know the current and contemporary affairs. IR, international relations, without contemporary affairs is not going to fetch you enough marks. तो current पे focus करना ही होगा आपको. तीसरा, you have to make structured, concise notes from your foundation notes. That is nothing but making summaries out of it. क्यों? It covering the entire optional, you have bulky notes. क्या सब हर बार रिवाइज कर पाओगे? नहीं. रिवाइज तब कर पाओगे जब आपके पास कंसाइज नोट्स अवेलेबल होंगे. सो इन्वेस्ट टाइम इन मेकिंग सम शॉर्ट नोट्स. फोर्थ इज अगेन सीइंग द PYQs एंड द सिलेबस. अगर PYQs पे मास्टरी है, स्पेशली जो रिपीटेटिव क्वेश्चंस आते हैं हमारे, यू विल डेफिनेटली बी एबल टू स्कोर मोर मार्क्स इफ यू रिटन एंड यू हैव आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस. सो PSR इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट योर इंटरेस्ट. इट इज नॉट जस्ट ओनली अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग. इंटरेस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इंपॉर्टेंट है, बट साथ ही साथ exam oriented nature mein answer writing practice is very important, and this is the exact same approach we will follow in our PSR optional foundation classes, which are going to be structured. Every unit will get attention, which will integrate static as well as current affairs. It will be beginner friendly. If you have a base, if you don't have a base in the optional, we will be addressing all those concerns. And fourth, there will be sessions and approaches on how to write answers, how to make your short notes, so that will help you maximize your marks in the optional.